Good morning, everyone. It's early. It's about 8:20 or so. If you did not know, on Royal Caribbean ships, they have two different things that they are, I should say three. Number one, they will have demonstrations on how to properly snorkel. The second thing they have, which I am doing, is they have kind of like an intro to dive. It's on the ship, it's in their pool. They put all the dive gear on you and they see how you do, basically. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. If you are also on a Royal Caribbean ship and you are not certified in diving, you can get your scuba certification on board. But for now, I just want to try it. All right, so let's go see how this is done. So I did the try dive. I didn't get a lot of it on video because, of course, I was in the water. I just kind of videotaped the gear, but it's really, really fun. If you've ever wanted to try diving, I would definitely recommend doing it on Royal Caribbean ship. I also tried the flow rider because it's overcast today, so I didn't mind standing in line. Plus, I think most people have done it, so the line was very, very short. And I will insert that right now. That water is rough. I tried, I gave up. I couldn't do it anymore. But it's super, super fun. So if you've never done it on a ship, you should do it on Royal Caribbean. We're in the Aqua Theater and we're gonna watch that a lot. The dive competition. We are going to go and sign up for an excursion when we get to Florida. Doing a little last minute shopping. So if you ever come on the ship and you have forgotten something, don't worry. They pretty much have everything you need. Everything you need. All the makeup. That's cute. I'm not getting them. There's a belly flop competition. Are you sure? Go to your Royal app, click on it, and then that eye right there, click on the eye. Okay, so I'm on deck 12, and then there's these pictures that are on the wall. So if you hold your phone up to the picture, whoa, how cool is this?
This is a full-on party, so we need people on the dance floor. Come and join us. Let's start this party right now. To the left. Take it back. Let's go.
the stairs.
Big cake.
We should get back to Fort Lauderdale tomorrow morning and just turn around and go do it all over again. Wouldn't that be great, everybody?
Don't drop the phone!
You're making me nervous.
It's the running track on the 4th deck. And look how beautiful it is out here. I don't think anyone knows about this. You could just sit.